Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to design website pages together using artboards in Photoshop. I start a new document and create multiple artboards for homepage, about page, and contact page. I take a deep breath here. Structure matters. Each artboard becomes a page, not just a canvas. I design the header once, then carefully copy it across artboards to keep consistency. There is a quiet satisfaction in this step. I adjust spacing, content, and layout while maintaining the same visual language. Artboards let me see the entire website flow at once. I pause, zoom out, and let the design speak. This moment feels